Hello, this is Mrs. Russo, and I'm going to talk to you about Chapter 4, Lesson 9, Modeling Division with Regrouping. So today is kind of the first step. We're going to go into modeling division and how that fits into traditional long division. So what they're going to have to do is they're going to have to model with quick pictures and then record it. Well, the record part is the traditional division. So we're going to try to connect what those numbers mean and why in the future lessons. So today, their quick picture needs to be that they draw 88 in base 10 blocks. So we're going to draw 8 10 rods, and 8 ones. Then they're going to draw 7 circles, 3, 4. Now, something I was teaching them today is to go back and forth between their model and their recording of it. So initially, their first steps have been to go ahead and take their 10s and put them equally into each circle. So I usually ask them, is there enough 10s for one to go in each of the 7 circles? If the answer is yes, go 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you need to cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will notice that there is one 10 rod left over that cannot go equally. So that will eventually have to be regrouped, which is kind of today's emphasis, model with regrouping. Now, I wanted them to go from this step to record how many 10s are in one circle. Well, there's just one. So we're going to put a 1 above the 10's place value. Now they have to ask themselves how many 10s were used. Well, I used 1 10 rod, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if they use 7 of the 8s, we're going to go and subtract. They have 1 left, which that 1 left is right here. Now we're going to have to regroup. I'm going to have to take away this 1 10 rod and make 10 small ones. Now this is a step that can somewhat be confusing. Now there's 18 ones, there's 10 ones here, and 8 ones to begin with. Now we need to ask, do we have enough ones for 1 to go equally in each circle? The answer is yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross off 7. This is where they really need to draw big enough and cross off really neatly. 7. Do I have enough to put one more 1 in each one? The answer is yes. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is there enough for it to go into the circles? The answer is no. So there's 4 left over. Now they need to ask, we're going to put a number above the 1's place value. How many 1s are in each circle? 2. How many 1s did we use or divide up equally into the 7 circles? A lot of students need to go through and they need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So they actually used 14 of those 18. And they had 4 left over, which is correct. So our answer is 12, remainder 4. We will get into, in the next few lessons, not requiring the model, but we want them to see how they relate to each other. So I'm going to do one more problem. I'm going to do 57 divided by 2. So again, they're going to start off by modeling using base 10 blocks. So we do 5 10 rods. I'm going to draw 7 ones. 2 circle, because that's my divisor. I want to put them into 2 circles. They're going to start off with doing the same process. Can I put at least 1 10 rod in each? Yes. Cross off the ones were used. Yes, I can put another one. Now I have 1 left over that I will later regroup. Now we need to go over to where I'm going to record. How many 10s are in one circle? 2. How many did I use total? 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I subtract that, I have 1 left over and 7 ones. I have 1 10 left over and 7 ones. But I can't divide up this 1 10 equally into my 2 circles, so I'm going to have to regroup and now make this 10 ones. Now again, do I have enough ones to go equally in the two circles? Yes. Cross off. Yes. Cross off 2. 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 Yes. Cross off 2, and I have 1 left over. Now how many ones are in one circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many did I use total? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I end up with 1 left over, which is my remainder. Let me know if you have any questions on this. We will be working in the next few days on this and then transition into the normal long division that we all grew up learning. Thank you, and let your teacher know if you have any questions.